Software engineering is not dead. It's being reborn. But here's the scary part, most developers are training for a job that no longer exists. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to do instead. Stay till slide 12. It changes everything. Wait. Companies fired developers to hire AI. Now they are desperately rehiring humans. Why? Because AI alone broke their systems. This isn't a recovery story. This is a warning. The companies coming back aren't hiring the same developers. They want something completely different. But here's where it gets crazy. AI-generated code actually doubles production churn, not reduces it, doubles it. Every bug fixed creates 2 new ones. Teams shipping faster are breaking things twice as fast. Speed without control is chaos. And the chaos has a hidden cost nobody is talking about. 10,000? That's how many security vulnerabilities AI code introduces every single month. Hackers aren't breaking in. Your own AI is letting them walk through the front door. And your team has no idea it's happening. Seriously. Stop and think about that for a second. There's a hidden crisis called comprehension debt. AI generates code faster than any human can understand it. Your code base is growing, your team's understanding is shrinking. You're sitting on a ticking time bomb of code nobody actually knows. And the gap is widening every single day. 2 paths exist right now. Vibe coding, chaotic, uncontrolled, dangerous. Agentic engineering, structured, intentional, powerful. Most developers are accidentally choosing the chaos path. They call it productivity. Companies call it a nightmare. The engineers winning right now know exactly which side they're on. Here's the brutal truth. AI nails 70% of your project. Fast, clean, impressive. Then it hits the edge cases and it completely falls apart. The last 30% is where real engineers earn their salary. And that 30% is actually becoming more valuable, not less. But here's what nobody expected next. Taylor Bruno said it perfectly. AI replaces tasks, not judgment. Anyone can generate code now. The question is, who understands what the code should actually do? That judgment is the most expensive skill on the planet right now. And most developers are losing it fast. The entry-level developer job is gone. Not shrinking. Gone. Junior roles are disappearing because AI does what juniors used to do. That sounds fine until you realize senior engineers come from somewhere. That somewhere is collapsing right now. Who trains the next generation of senior engineers? Nobody has an answer. We call it the broken room. AI automated the exact task that taught junior developers how to think. Writing boilerplate, debugging logic, understanding edge cases. Those weren't just tasks. They were the training ground. Remove those rungs and nobody can climb the ladder anymore. Here's the mental model that changes everything. You are the captain. AI is the engine room. The engine doesn't decide where the ship goes. You do. The engineers winning right now aren't writing more code. They are making better decisions. And those decisions are worth more than any syntax you could type. This is the orchestrator shift. Stop typing syntax. Start directing autonomous systems. The new engineer doesn't write every function. They design the architecture. They set the guardrails. They validate the output. One orchestrator today outproduces a team of 10 coders from 2020. This is the biggest career shift of your lifetime. The winning workflow has 3 steps. Write strict specs first, then generate the implementation, then validate through test-driven development. That's it. Spec. Generate. Validate. Engineers who master this loop are 5x more productive. The ones skipping specs are creating the 10,000 vulnerabilities we talked about earlier. AI-fluent orchestrators earn a $50,000 salary premium. Not because they code more, because they break less. They ship systems that actually hold up at scale. That premium grows every year. The skill gap is widening. The only question is which side of that gap you'll be on. You now know what 99% of developers don't. The job isn't coding anymore. It's commanding. The orchestrators are already pulling ahead. The vibe coders are already falling behind. You get to choose right now which one you become. Drop a comment. Are you a coder or an orchestrator? Let's see where you stand.